Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing a barn owl, and all you need for this is black and some kind of light brown. So to start, draw a big U in the top of the page, then go up, and go just down in the middle of it. Same on the other side, up, finish that so it looks a bit like an M. So like kind of symmetrical M like that. Then about halfway down, draw two dots, because those are where you're going to put your eyes. And then just do a big sort of shape like that, kind of like a little hill, but diagonal a little bit. Same thing here, do that diagonal, hill, and then bring it down just a little bit on the front side, and then round it out to connect to that part. And just shade the whole thing in black. Okay, and after that, go up some more, go to the side, and down, so kind of follow that line. Have it go out a little bit, so you have something like that. Now take out your brown, just draw a couple little squigglies right there between these two eyes, like slightly below them. Then bring out your black again, and from that do like an upside down V, something like that. Okay, so take out your brown again, outline that whole face area, and a circle around it. And then if you want, you can do these lines like that, like pretty close together. And that'll make it look lighter than the brown that you have. You just do these lines. They can face whatever direction you want to face, you just have to face the same way. Just kind of do them all together. And then finally, do 3 lines coming down on either side of the eyes. And there's your barn owl face.